In this video, I will be sharing with you the other technique that I have used to get out of my 600,000 dirhams debt. It's called the Avalanche method. If you haven't watched part 1 of this series, how to get out of debt using snowball method, please click the link above. So stick around as I'll show you the other way to tackle your debt. If you are new here, Mad with Samira has been created to share with you the things that inspire me and hopefully will encourage you to do what you needed to do. And as I rediscover myself, it is my goal to learn from you and the people I encounter every day. So let's get down to the topic. As I've mentioned in part 1, I have used a mix of different strategies to tackle my 600,000 dirham debt. I have tried balance transfers, I have tried debt consolidation, the snowball method, and the avalanche method. And in this particular video, I will show you what is the avalanche method. So this is the sample computation sheet for our avalanche method. So the same logic applies. You have 3 credit cards, you have the outstanding balance, you'll have the interest rates, and then the minimum payment. Now, I'm going to explain later on what is the monthly target. So, what we're going to do is, we're going to tackle first your credit card 1 kasi si credit card 1 ang may pinakamataas na interest, which is 5%. Once we finish with credit card 1, we're going to tackle your credit card 2 kasi siya yung may second na highest na interest rates. Now, ipagpalagay natin, with credit cards 1, 2, 3, the minimum payment is for credit card 1 is 1,500, credit card 2 is 1,000, and credit card 3 is 3,000. So, meron kang required na minimum payment of 3,000 dirhams. However, meron kang extra cash and your budget monthly to tackle your credit card debts is 4,500. So what we're going to do is yung sobra na 1,500 is we're going to add it up doon sa iyong minimum payment sa pinakataas mo na interest rate na credit card. So that means ang iyong monthly target dito is magiging 3,000 na, and then we will be paying the minimum for the next 2 credit cards. So, ipagpalagay natin, you've already paid for the month of June and your outstanding for the month of July is 37,000 kasi from 40,000 we deducted 3,000, your outstanding is 37,000. From 20,000 we deducted 1,000, your outstanding is 19. And for 10,000 deducted by 500, your outstanding is 9,500. Now, for the month of August, you are now ready to pay for your month of August bill. How do we compute this amount? So from 37,000 times 5% interest rate plus the outstanding balance for the month of July minus yung iyong monthly target na 3,000, your outstanding balance for August is 35,850. The same logic applies to credit card 2 and credit card 3. So what does it mean again? From your outstanding balance na 19,000 times mo ng iyong interest rates plus the outstanding balance minus the monthly target is your outstanding balance for the month of August. Now, we keep on doing this until ma-paid out natin lahat ng bayarin sa iyong first credit card. So, that will be your month 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So, you just have to continuously doing that until March 2021. So, mapapansin mo dito, for March 2021, green na ang iyong credit card 1. So, what does it mean? Because of your outstanding balance for the month of February is 1,880, but your monthly target to pay out your credit card 1 is 3,000. So, 1,880 minus 3,000, may sobra ka ngayong 1,025. So, what you're going to do with your 1,025 for the month of March, you're going to add it up to your monthly payment ng iyong credit card 2. So what happened? With your outstanding na 10,170 times 3.5% minus 1,000, minus mo pa dun sa 1,025, your outstanding for the month of March is 8,500 na lang. And you continue doing that until ma-paid out mo siya until sa matapos ang iyong utang for the month of June. So, napapansin mo, for the month of June, green na siya kasi may sobra ka na namang pera. What happened? Because your outstanding balance is 965. However, ang ginawa kasi natin, after we paid out the first credit card, na sa month of April, ang ginawa natin, sinama na natin yung 3,000 at saka ang 1,000. So, that means the extra money that you have for your credit card 1, you add it up for credit card 2. So, kaya meron kang 4,000 na pambayad. So, what happened for the month of April? 8,500 na outstanding times mo ng 3.5%, minus mo ngayon ng 4,000. So, ang iyong outstanding for the month of April is 4,797 dirhams na lang. Now, for the month of May, dahil binayaran mo na siya ulit ng iyong 4,000, ang iyong outstanding after na idagdag natin yung kanyang interest rates is 965 na lang. So, nung dumating ka na ng June, dahil sa 4,000 pa rin na nakabudget mo monthly, sa 965 mo na outstanding with the interest rates pa, nagkaroon ka ngayon ng sobra na 3,000 dirhams. So, what happened? Yung 3,000 dirhams mo, isasama mo na naman siya ngayon sa iyong last na credit card. What happened with your last credit card? Let's have a look. Diba dito, we've already add up the 3,000. Once we finish it here sa June, ang gagawin natin, idadagdag ulit natin siya sa iyong pangatlong credit card. So, from the outstanding, you keep on paying the minimum dito, right? Now, on the month of May, what you did is, you look at the outstanding. So, for the month of May na outstanding, times mo ng 3% interest, plus the outstanding mo ng May, ngayon, ima-minus mo ngayon yung iyong, so, minus mo yung minimum na 500, plus, ililess mo pa yung sobra mong pera from your credit card 2. Kaya ka ngayon nagkaroon ng sobrang 500 dirhams. So, what happened? With the Avalanche method, medyo mas mahaba yung pagbabayad mo ng iyong monthly bill compared mo doon sa Snowball. So, with the Avalanche method, naktackle mo ang iyong first credit card on the month 21. At natapos mo lahat ang iyong tatlong credit cards or natapos mo lahat ang iyong dalawang remaining credit cards on the month 34. Now, let's have a look doon sa interest rates na na-accumulate mo na binayaran using the Avalanche method. If you're going to look at the computation on a monthly basis, so, yan yung kanyang interest rate per credit card on a monthly basis, okay? And if we're going to add it up, all of the three credit cards, it's amounting to 37,845. Now, if we're going to compare that with the Snowball, sa Snowball natin, ang interest na binayaran mo was 45,996. But the good thing with the Snowball is that yung iyong pinakaunang credit card, natakal mo siya on your month 6. Natapos mo ang iyong last credit card, natapos mo siya on month 26. So, kaya sinasabi ko doon sa aking first na part 1 ng aking series is that you really have to do your own computation and have a look and see which one suits you the best. Kasi may mga iba, the concept of the Avalanche method is that you allocate the maximum amount to your debt that has the highest interest while continuously paying the minimum payments on all of your other loans. So, yun yung concept ng Avalanche. Now, ano naman yung pros ng Avalanche method? The pros with the Avalanche method is, especially if you are analytical, it really serves you well kasi mathematically, this is the best na computation. Why? Because it can save you money from the highest interest rates. So, you will end up paying less kasi inuna mong itakel yung may pinakamataas na interest rates. Ano naman yung kanyang cons? Yung cons naman niya, ang disadvantage naman doon sa Avalanche method is that it can take a toll doon sa iyong motivation. Bakit? Kasi matagal siya. It's on the month 21 bago mo pa lang na-feel yung accomplishment of tackling your credit card debts. So, hindi mo siya kaagad na ikita yung success as soon as possible. So, it could be sooner kung ang balance mo, no, okay, let's just say for example, ang balance mo dito is mas mababa, kahit mataas pang interest, it could be sooner na makita mo yung success of tackling it. Kasi pag mababa ang outstanding balance mo, kahit mataas ang interest rates, pero you've allocated a high amount of paying that, it could be possible that sooner than the month 21, matatackle mo na yung iyong first na credit card. So, it is best that you make an inventory of your loan at yung interest rates and then i-calculate mo and see which one will give you the best option that will work for you. Because for other people, they would prefer the snowball approach kasi with the snowball, nandyan kasi yung psychological effect of conquering your credit card debts early. So, meron ka kaagad ng mga small quick wins. So, what does it mean? As a human being, normal sa atin yan, it gives us the satisfaction, and dahil sa nakakonquer natin ng paunti-unti, natatapos natin pa isa-isa ang credit card, nagkakaroon kayo ngayon ng motivation to continue paying it. I hope what I've shared with you today has been useful. If you think that others can benefit from this too, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you will be informed once my new video has been uploaded. Together, let's make a difference. This has been Mad with Samira saying, keep safe and stay healthy.